Hi everyone, Emily here at Hydroponic Princess, and today I was going to talk about helping to pollinate your self-pollinating plants. Now, even though they're self-pollinating, if they're going to be in your house, they're going to need a little help from you. And there's actually a few different ways that you can help those little plants pollinate. Today I'm going to show you on my mini jalapeno plant. So the whole idea with the self-pollinating plants is you just want to make sure that the pollen gets out and mixes with all these flowers. So another way is a light shake. Just a real light shake with your plants. And you just want to be careful, especially if you have jalapenos on there. You don't want them to fall off. You don't want to knock them off before they're ready. But just that light shake, and you're going to have some flowers that are going to fall off. That is just going to happen. You want to give it that light shake, and that pollen's going to come out, and it's going to mix in all the flowers. One more way, I have AeroGarden's Be the Bee tool. So it's just this little vibrating tool to help knock the pollen loose from the flowers. You can also use a very cheap, like dollar store kids electric toothbrush. So let's see if we see any pollen come off. Oh, yeah, there we go. So you could see some of that pollen. Let me see if I can get any more coming out. So that one had lots of pollen that popped out that you could see. So those are some ways you can help your self-pollinating plants pollinate if you're growing them in your home. Light breeze with a fan, gentle shake. You can touch each flower with a makeup brush or with a paintbrush. Or you can get, like I have the Be the Bee tool, or a really cheap just kids electric toothbrush from like the dollar store. And you want to do that, I would say, at least once a day. You just want to keep up with it because you want to make sure that your flowers get pollinated so that you can start to grow fruit in those plants. If you found my video informational, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.